like the packets and the protocols we are having. Right. So over here, guys, when we are talking about these, you can say the packets and the protocols, what will be happening is, as we were talking about this Wireshark, it is what? It is a network packet analyzer we are having. Right, this Wireshark is what? It is a network packet analyzer we are having. But when we are talking about the packets, guys, so packets are what? These are the small piece of data we are having, that is, you can say, moving over our network over there. Like, let's say what will be happening is I want to send a particular message. Right, I want to send you a particular file over there, guys. So that particular message, it will be getting broken into your packets over there. Right, and those packets, they are going to, you can say, move in an independent manner over there, so that they will be able to reach to the destination. And then what will be happening is they will be getting reassembled when they will be arriving inside of it. Right, like we are having the OSI model. In the OSI model, what we are having is we are having the transport layer, and whatever transport layer, what it will be doing is it is going to perform the segmentation and the assembly of our packet. So guys, over here, each and every packet, right, each and every packet, what they will be doing is they are going to contain, right, they will be containing a header over there. And this particular header, what it will be doing is it will be providing us like the metadata about the packets. We are having like the payloads over there. Right, the payloads, what they will be doing is they are going to contain our actual data which we are sharing, and sometimes we will be also having our trailer that will be also available. Now, talking about the Wireshark, guys, so over here our Wireshark, what it will be doing is it will be supporting, right, it will be supporting around 2000 of the protocols over there. Right, so over there what we can do is we can analyze those around your 2000 protocols over there. So some common ones we are having like the TCP, we are having UDP, we got the HTTP, we are having DNS, and we are having the ICMP over there. Right. So over there, when we are talking about the very first one, that is what we got as the TCP. Right. So guys, when we are talking about this TCP protocol, this transmission control protocol, so it is a protocol we are choosing, right? This is the protocol we are choosing when we want to ensure that, right? When we want to ensure that the data which we are that is the data we are going to transfer over there, it should be done in a reliable manner. So for that, what we are having is our the TCP, it is going to provide us the acknowledgement. Right, our TCP is what? It is a connection oriented protocol we are having, and it is also going to provide us the acknowledgement. Like, let's say I'm trying to send some information to Jack, right, and that particular information, it is quite important over there. So guys, in that particular scenario, what I will be doing is I will be using like this TCP over there. Right, I'm going to use like this TCP over there. So with the help of it, what will be happening is, like, let's say if Jack, he has received that particular information, then it's great. But still, I need the acknowledgement that will be saying that, boss, yeah, I have received the data. Right, along with that, like, let's say when I was trying to send the data to Jack over there, and what is happening is he's having some sort of errors over there. Right, he's not able to properly receive the data. So in that particular scenario, I also need acknowledgement that will be providing me the information that, boss, I need to resend the data over there. Right, so that is what we are having as your TCP. Right, along with that, when we are talking about this TCP, guys, what it will be doing is it is performing. Right, when we are saying that our TCP is going to do what, it is like a connection oriented protocol over there. So what it will be doing is it is going to perform like a handshake over there. Right, what it will be doing is it is going to perform a handshake whenever we want to start the communication over this TCP protocol, guys. So for that, for starting our connection, for starting our communication, we have to follow a three-way handshake. When we are talking about this honeypot is what? It is intentionally created vulnerable device over there. What we will be doing is we are going to put it in our network over there. Right, so using that, what will be happening is, like let's say you are an attacker, and what you want to do is you want to, you can say, perform the attack in my organization. So when you will be scanning my network over there, you will be finding the information that there is a vulnerable device. Now what will be happening is you will be becoming quite happy over there. right? What will be happening is like you will be becoming happy because you have just found the information about the vulnerable device. Now, for compromising that particular vulnerable device, what you will be doing is you are going to use like the different types of techniques over there, right? So using that, what will be happening is our security team, they are going to monitor all the activities that are happening in the background, and using that, our security team, they will be able to find the information, what are the latest market trends we are having, right? What are the TTPs we are having of the attacker, what type of tools, the techniques, the methodologies the attackers they are using for compromising our system. So on the basis of the TTPs which we have gathered, right, or which we have captured over there, what we are going to do is we will be strengthening our the real systems we are having of our organizations over there. Right, so that is why the honeypots, they are being considered as one of the best source of our the threat intelligence over there. Now, over here, guys, as I was talking about our TCP three-way handshake, whenever we want to start the communication, guys, so on the TCP, what will be happening is it is going to perform with your TCP three-way handshake, right? So now over here, let's say this is my user and this is my server over there, right? Now, guys, over here, what will be happening is we will be having the user, right? He will be sending, right? He is going to send the SYN packet, right? Our user is going to send the SYN packet, your synchronization. Now, guys, when we are talking about the SYN, you can consider it like a hello, right? You can consider this SYN as a hello over there. So using that, what will be happening is we will be sending the request to the server that boss, what I want to do is I want to start the TCP connection with you. Right now, on the basis of that, what will be happening is the server, it is going to provide us the acknowledgement for our SYN. So that is why what our server is going to do is he's going to reply us back with the help of your SYN acknowledgement, right? And then once our this user, he will be receiving the SYN-ACK over there, what he will be doing is he is going to reply back, right? He will be replying back to the server over there, and that is going to be our acknowledgement, right? So guys, this is how our the TCP three-way handshake will be working, right? We are starting with your SYN, then we will be having the SYN-ACK, and then we will be having the acknowledgement. Now, once we have, we can say, perform these three steps, what will be happening is our servers, they will be having like a connection state table, a connection state table over there, and inside of that, what they will be doing is they are going to make a record for this particular connection. So that is what we are having as the TCP three-way handshake, right? Now, after that, what will be happening is let's say over there, guys, what will be happening is now we want to can say terminate the session, right? We want to terminate the TCP session over here. Over here, guys, what we are having is when we are talking about the TCP flags, right? We are having this fin that stands for the finish. We are also having the reset over there, right? What we are having is we are having these two flags. That is what we can use for terminating a particular session. Any guess? Any idea? What is the difference we are having between this fin and this reset while we want to terminate the session over there? Right? So guys, over here, when we are talking about this fin, right? So in this particular fin, what it will be doing is it will be helping us, right? It will be helping us to finish this particular session in a proper manner. Whereas when we are talking about this reset, like let's say what will be happening is while our TCP connection, we are having some sort of errors over there. So what we will be doing is we will be trying to restart that particular session over there. So over there, what will be happening is just by sending like the reset act over there, what will be happening is that particular session, it will be getting terminated, right? We are not asking for the any sort of acknowledgement from the from other user we are having, right? So for successfully terminating the session, guys, what we are having is we are having the TCP four-way handshake. TCP four-way handshake, right? Now over here, like let's say this is what we are having as a user, and we got our a server over there, right? Now over here, what will be happening is, like let's say this user, what he will be doing is he's going to send this user, what he will be doing is he's going to send the fin request over there, right? He will be saying that, boss, let's finish this connection, right? Now on the basis of that, what this server will be doing is it is going to reply back, right? Our server, it is going to reply back over there, but this time what we are doing is we are not sending the fin and the acknowledgement together. Instead of that, what we will be doing is, like, we will be going ahead, and this particular server, it is going to send like the acknowledgement, right? Where it will be saying that, like, okay, boss, so you want to finish this connection, no problem with that, but the communications which we were doing, the data which we were transmitting over there, I have not received it properly, so you have to wait for some couple of minutes for it, right? So on the basis of that, our server, it will be sending the acknowledgement. And now after that, like let's say once this server, it will be successfully receiving all the data. Now after that, what our server will be doing is he will be sending, our server, it will be sending our the packet over there, right? It will be sending a packet that will be your fin, right? Which will be denoting that, yeah, now I have successfully received the data. Now what we can do is we can terminate the session, right? Now after that, guys, in the very last, what we are going to have is we will be having your acknowledgement, right? And the very last, what we are going to have is we will be having like the acknowledgement over there, right, from our user. And using that, what will be happening is we will be able to successfully terminate our session. All right. Now, after that, guys, what we are having is after this TCP, we are having the next one, that is what we are having is the UDP. So our UDP, it stands for the user datagram protocol. Right. So guys, over there, when we are talking about this UDP, right, what it will be doing is it is going to work as a connectionless protocol. It means that it is not having any type of handshake, right? Unlike our TCP, what was happening is inside of our TCP, we were performing the three-way handshake, we were performing a four-way handshake, but inside of this UDP, we are not having any type of handshake, right? So we are using this UDP when we are focusing on the speed, right? When we are focusing on the speed over the reliability of our data. Like let's say over there, I want to play the game. So in that particular scenario, I need a good ping. I do not want a latency over there. So in that particular scenario, the UDP is present, right? Along with that, our UDP is not going to provide us any type of acknowledgement over there, right? Since it is not, you can say, checking our errors, it is not making any type of correction, it is not providing us the acknowledgement. So that is why it will be more faster than our that TCP over there, right? We are having the next one, that is what we got as the HTTP over there, right? The hypertext transfer protocol we are having. So guys, over there, this hypertext transfer protocol, what it will be doing is it will be helping us so that what will be happening is we will be able to, can say, communicate, we will be able to, can say, transfer the information, right, with the web pages, the APIs we are having over the internet, right? So it is what, it is a text based protocol over there, right? So the problem we are having with our the HTTP, guys, how this HTTP, it is vulnerable over there, right? So over there, guys, when we will be talking about this HTTP, guys, it is a clear text, you can say, the protocol we are having. It means that it is not performing any type of encryption over there, right? So that is why, for, you can say, the security, what we are doing is we are using the HTTPS, the secure over there. So with the help of that, what will be happening is all the communication, that is what we are making over there, they will be moving into the encrypted manner, So even if the attackers, right, using our like the Wiresharks over there or using some other the network protocol analyzers, the packet analyzers, they will be able to find the information. They will be able to capture the information. They won't be able to find the information what is present over there because it will be moving into the encrypted manner, right? Then after this, guys, we are having this DNS. Like guys, when we are talking about this DNS, that stands for the domain name server we are having. So with the help of it, what will be happening is like we will be able to like with the help of this DNS over there, what will be happening is like we will be able to resolve the domain name, right? We will be able to resolve the domain name to the IP address and vice versa over there. Because guys, what will be happening is when we are talking about this DNS over there, or when we are talking about like accessing the things over the internet. So what we can do is we can access those things over the internet by using the IP address as well as the domain name. But over here, it is not possible to remember the each and every sites the IP we are having. So that is why what we are having is we are having like the easier way, that is what we are having is the DNS over there. So with the help of this DNS, what will be happening is we just need to remember, right? We just need to remember what is the domain name we are having, and on the basis of that we will be able to, can say, find the information about it, right? So that is what we are having is the DNS over there, right? So over here with the help of this DNS, like it is working in over the port number, it will be using like our the protocols, the UDP as well as our TCP. So with the help of this, you can say the DNS over there, guys, what will be happening is like we will be able to find the information, right? We will be able to find the information, we will be able to connect over there, right? We will be able to access the websites or the resources we are having over the internet, right? So for that, whatever DNS it is going to do is it is going to use our UDP as well as your TCP over there, right? On the port number 53. Right, then after that we are having the ICMP, that is we have just seen over here, right? The internet control message protocol we are having. So guys, this ICMP basically that is what we are using so that we will be able to find the information about the errors we are having, right? Or over there if we are having some issues in our network, we want to, can say, diagnose them. So in that particular scenario, the ICMP we are going to use. So it is also a connectionless protocol over if I want to, can say, find, right? We are using this the info about what is happening in our network. Over there, what we are doing, the trace route of the trace route, guys, what will be happening is we will be able to identify the information about what type of, you can say, the route of a packet they are using over there for reaching to the destination. Along with that, we are also using the ping over there. So with the help of the ping, what will be happening is we will be able to find the reachability of the target, right? That is what we have just seen over here, right? So that is what we are having as the ICMP protocol over there.